Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. Are you finding that it is definitely time for a new mattress? If that's the case, then you might want to check this one out from CHRIXANEIR. This is a gorgeous gel foam topped mattress that really felt comfortable from the very first night. The mattress comes in a box. It's completely sealed and rolled up, and once you unravel it, you just let it sit for a good 72 hours. We actually let it sit about 2 nights, and right from the very first night, we felt that it was very, very comfortable. The mattress has some nice quality materials. You can see on the sides it has that nice textured fabric. As well, the very top has that beautiful gel foam inside, and it is really soft and comfortable. The mattress is a 12-inch, so you're definitely getting a nice thickness that allows you to sleep well, whether you're a side sleeper like my husband or someone like me who's really all over the place while I'm sleeping. I love that the topper is nice and thick. You can see from the sides that it's definitely raised and it has that nice edging so you don't feel that you're falling off the bed, but it just feels really nice and secure. The sides also have these great handles that make it easy to move the mattress around. I find that I have not seen a mattress that has those kind of handles in a while, but it makes it so much easier, especially if you're moving the mattress around by yourself. Even after a few weeks of testing this mattress, it just feels so comfortable and soft. It really has made such a difference. It's honestly a lot harder to get up out of bed in the morning because of how lovely that this mattress feels. Just really impressed with the quality of it and the comfort, but that's just my point of view.